Hey guys, we just bought a Sony for smartphone earbud. It's really look good and it's comfort fit stereo headphone. And we bought it in Lulu Mall. It's actually newly opened mall and it's very exacting offers are available there. And it's just a cost of MRP like nearly if you can see here. It's like 1290 and we bought it for 799. So it's almost 30 to 40% offer we got it and it's newly sealed piece and it was a good headphone from Sony. Mid-range good phone, so you can use it as a hearing song and for meetings and every purpose you can use it as well. Yeah, and just now I am going to open it and I'm showing you how it looks inside. Yeah, I'm just opening it now. Sony steel. It looks awesome, right? Yeah. I love Sony keywords. It's like 4 words and its brand name was awesome. Yeah, we just opened it now. And if you can see, there is a user manual inside as usual in every gadgets. And we got the headphone also. It's wrapped in a cover basis. And can open it now from cover. Oops. They given some extra buds also. That's very useful for us. Maybe that we used to forget means or we used to lose every time, right? And if you can see here, we got a good earphone with buds. It looks premium actually. It actually looks so premium. And yeah, I know many Sony fan will be there and they love the headphones and those people need some budget friendly headphone and this will be useful for them. Its length looks like, yeah, it's a bit too lengthy. Yeah, its length is so good, so you can keep your phone in pocket and keep your headphone in ears. For that also this length is enough, I think. And extra buds, let's see anything else inside. No, nothing inside. That's all from Sony for smartphone headphone. So if this video is useful, then hit the like, bell icon, subscribe button, and if you need any special videos, you can ask in comments. We will help you to get out of your doubts and everything. So thank you so much. Bye.